This is going to be a tutorial on the Skewb puzzle. So for those who want to learn how to do it, there you go. So the first step with any solution of any puzzle is to scramble it, obviously. And from there, you can just do a quick hand scramble like I am, or you can follow a scrambling algorithm too. I think that's pretty good. So the first step in solving this puzzle would be to align the corners with their center, like these are, and with the other corners on the face. You can do this intuitively, so if you want to, go ahead. And what I just did there, if you have a corner that needs to go down here, but when it does, it won't be solved, so see this one needs to be rotated, you pull it out and rotate the corner up, so when you pull it back down, it's there. So then you just move it back and this corner is solved. So now that you have the first layer, the second layer will not always be solved, so let me just do a quick there. So this time what you would want to do is, for this case, you would hold the headlights to the right and do a move called a sledgehammer, where you'd put the right corner, pull the right corner down, left corner down, top left, right corner up, top right corner up, and top left corner up. And that will solve these top 4 corners. Now the center won't always be there, I just got lucky, so if I do this, as you can see, we need the headlights to the right. Then if we do the algorithm, we have the top corner down, top left corner down, why can't I tell direction? Top right corner down, top left corner down, top right corner up, top left corner up, and that should solve all of these corners. Now the next step is to find the center that needs to go up on top, and you put that in the very back. Then you do the sledgehammer again. Remember, it's top right corner down, top left corner down, top right corner up, top left corner up. Then you would do this move called a Y2, which means you just rotate the puzzle twice. So then you have the headlights on the right again, and you have this, which would do, then you do the sledgehammer again, so top right corner down, top left corner down, top right corner up, top left corner up, and that would solve the top face. Now the third and final step is to orient these middle pieces. Now I got lucky and got one of the 3 edges oriented, or centers. If you look at the mechanism of these, they're similar to the mechanism edges on a regular 3x3, but they're not, they're centers. So what you would do in this case, right, you would hold the solved face at the bottom, the other solved face, then hold the checkered board, the checkered one, in the front, so opposite centers, on a regular 3x3. I'll just use my 7x7. So as you can see, blue is opposite of green, and orange opposite red, white opposite yellow. So then you would take the opposite color, since the corners are blue, you would have, what's the opposite of blue? Green. So the green center in the middle. So then you do a sledgehammer again, so top right corner down, top left corner down, top right corner up, top left corner up. Then this move, the Y2, then do that again, sledgehammer. And there you go, you've solved your Skewb. Now there are other cases, like this one. Let me just... Let's hope that this works. So there are other OLLs, right, or oriented lost layers, from 3x3. So for this case, you just do a sledgehammer and find the headlights, put them to the right, sledgehammer, then find the center that needs to go up, put it in the back, sledgehammer, Y2 sledgehammer, and there's the top face. That's the corner one. That's only for corner orientation. Then we do, just to solve it, here is what is called an H-prime, because opposite centers need to switch, and I guess that kind of looks like an H. So for this one, you would just do the center middle layer permutation algorithm once. So sledgehammer, Y2 sledgehammer. I might do a video tutorial on how to do that smooth sledgehammer like that, but that's not this one. Yeah, I'll make it this one. So for the smooth sledgehammer, you hold it at an angle like this, and put like 2 fingers is what I prefer on the top center, and your thumb on the front. Pull the corner down, push up with the 2 fingers, move your thumb back, and move your fingers up. And that's how you do it. I'll go more in depth in another video. Then, there you go, sold again. And there's another one. It's a Z-perm. So, these two need to switch, like, sort of like a Z, sort of. So, like, there's a Z, but it's just these top 2 bars. So you do it on any face again, but the center needs to go to where it belongs. So like, orange goes onto the orange face, blue goes onto the blue face, and green to green, and red to red. So I'll just do sledgehammer, Y2 sledgehammer, and then you have one face solved, and a checkerboarded face. And then you'd do sledgehammer, Y2 sledgehammer. So with the middle layer permutation, you cannot not only use sledgehammer, Y2 sledgehammer, but for the beginner's method, which is what I'm teaching, that's the preferred way to do it. So hopefully this helped you solve your Skewb, and you can learn how to do it faster. So there you go. For notation, since I can stretch out this video a little bit more, it's really simple. You just keep one corner always in front. So R prime, U prime, L prime, F prime, and B prime. And I believe in competition it is the white, green, red corner for scrambling. So like a scramble would look like something like that. So, yeah. Then you would give it to the person and they'd solve it like that. And there's also another variation of the sledgehammer it's called the hedge slammer. It starts with the top left corner down, top right corner down, top left corner up, top right corner up. And it's just the opposite of sledgehammer. So hold on. If you had this lucky case for OLL, this would be a sledgehammer. So you'd put not a sledgehammer, hedge slammer, with this center aligned with the corner to the right, top right. So you do left down, left up, right up. So left down, left up, right up. I recommend going from a solved puzzle to just doing sledgehammers and hedge slammers to get faster at it and more used to the motion. So yeah, that's my tutorial on how to solve the Skewb. Hopefully this helped you out, and if you solved it, nice work. That'll do it for this video. Yeah.